everybody. I'm Laura Heigl with Century 21 Sheets, and I am spending time today in my favorite Mexican restaurant, Los Arroyos. Cristiano is with me. Quick thing that Cristiano was sharing with me is the restaurant started in California. It's now up and down the coast a little bit. Mr. Arroyo has other locations,
He
correct?
sure does,
and
yeah.
it's grown, but he also immigrated to the U.S. from Mexico, from Michoacan,
He sure did, yeah.
and so he brings the real stuff.
Well, most of the recipes came from his mother in Michoacan, and we even have a mama salad, which is, you know, his mom's favorite salad, and some of the other recipes he's acquired over the years. But we make all the salsas here fresh. You know, the tortillas for the tacos are homemade corn tortillas, so it really makes us stand out a little bit. Yeah.
And everything here has such a fresh taste, and really a healthy taste too. Shrimp tacos are unbelievable here.
Well, thank you.
I could eat those every day. I eat in here at lunchtime, and I certainly eat dinners in here. This place is anything but quiet. Where do the people come from to eat here?
They're mostly from the neighborhood. Our lunch crowd usually comes from the buildings across the street, as we have many offices and hospitals across the street. And then for dinner, they're mostly people that live around here. I'd say 70–75% of our clientele are usually the same people that come, you know, every day. We use really fine Espolon tequila as our house tequila. We also have very unique spicy margaritas. We have the Havana, which is probably the most popular, with passion fruit and coconut puree. We infuse Espolon reposado with habanero peppers, so we actually get the spice from real fresh habanero peppers.
I've had an amazing drink. Thank you for
You're
the
welcome.
margarita and a lesson. And then the food that we just ate is wonderful. And I think everybody needs to come in here if they have not yet, because once they come in once, they're going to come back.
So we are located right on the same parking lot as Market District, which is, I think, the big landmark here by us, right across the street from IU North. And we are open Monday through Saturday from 11 a.m. till 10 p.m. And then Sunday we close at 9.
Okay.
But we're also open at 11. And just so everybody knows, on Mondays, we have our Margarita Monday. It's a holiday here at Los Arroyos every Monday. We do half-price margaritas all day long. And they are all the specialty margaritas, except for our billionaire margarita, which is the $350 margarita. That is not included
So
in the
it's
half
still
price.
$1 billion.
Yes. And then Tuesdays, we also have Taco Tuesdays. So we have crispy and soft chicken, beef, and pork tacos for $2.50 all day long. Come join our family for lunch or dinner.
Thanks for watching today.
Thanks, everybody.